Hello guys, in this video let's see what is the price for the world biggest competition held on the 27th of August 2025 at Meghalaya Kinchi, Eastern West Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, where the entry fees for this upcoming fishing competition is only 2,000 per head or fisherman. This fishing competition's organized by Ba Thongni and D Thongni in collaboration with his friends. These fishing ponds are on the roadside of Nang Stoini to Shillong. Fishing will be available these 5 ponds, as you see in the notification. Now let's have a look at these cash price for this competition. First prize will get a cash prize worth 5 lakh rupees. Second prize will get 3 lakh rupees. And third prize will get a cash prize worth 2 lakh rupees, followed by others prize worth 1 lakh per head starting from 4th position to 40 postian. With the remaining 41 position, a cash prize of 30,000 and 42 position, a cash price of 20,000. Not only those prices are available in this competition, but the organizers also maintained 20 numbers of consolation prizes worth rupee 10,000 each. Rules will not change, and it will be circulated in all fishing competitions. But if anyone violates these fishing rules, organizers will return half of their entry fees, and fishing will be continued without cash prizes. Fishermen can collect their stickers on the 26th of August 2025 at 10:30 a.m., and gates will be open at 11 a.m. They can stamp their temporary stickers and will be allowed only 1 hour to remove these temporary stickers. Organizers are advised to all fishermen not to violate or create any violence during the process of the competition. 2 tons of fishes are inside of these 5 ponds, in addition with different fishes already presented in these ponds. In addition to that, organizers arrange one more interesting game, that is the lucky draw. This lucky draw will be fun and attractive to you guys. They are arranged in this way. First prize will get a brand new Mahindra Thar ROXX, or can choose a cash prize of 15 lakh. Second will get a brand new Alto K10, or a cash prize of 3 lakh. Third, a cash prize of 1.5 lakh. Fourth, a cash prize of 1 lakh. And last, number 5, a cash prize of 20,000. So the lucky ticket cost rupee 300 and 502 tickets. Hurry up guys, don't miss this opportunity or chance. And the draw time will play at 2:30 p.m. sharp. Friends, if you want to see the biggest competition, you can present yourself on the above day and date. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos or latest fishing competitions. Thank you for watching.